Hey everyone! Hope you're doing awesome. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add and sync your contacts to your smartwatch using the Fit Pro app. You'll see it's incredibly easy. Before we start, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Next, find the Fit Pro icon on your screen. Long press it, and go to App Info. Once you're there, select Permissions and make sure to turn on Location and, most importantly, access to your contacts. Now, open the application and confirm that your smartwatch is properly connected. If you haven't paired it yet, please complete the connection right now so we can move forward with the process. Inside the app, go to the Set Warp Configure tab. Look for the Contacts section and tap the option at the top of the screen. Here, you will have two alternatives to add numbers. The first one is the manual way, where you can type the name and phone number directly. The second option is from your phone, by tapping the green icon that takes you straight to your personal contact list. Remember, for this to work, it is mandatory to have enabled the contact permission I showed you at the beginning of the video. Just choose the contact you want, tap OK, and that's it. The information will automatically sync to your watch. If this tutorial was helpful to you, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Huge shout out to everyone, and see you in the next video.